Welcome to our video. I hope this video will help you with the decor. Nothing says effortlessly glamorous quite like the breezy bohemian look of a well-crafted macrame wall hanging. This aesthetic is more than just a retro throwback. Savvy decorators have refined this classic craft with a new contemporary look. The object's more refined than ever before. This compilation features our favorite macrame creations from designers and artists across the web. Each piece available for sale online right now. Let's switch to video before too long. Number 12. LIVALAYA Macrame Curtain Large Wall Hanging. If you're looking for an option that's big and can wear many hats, this macrame wall hanging is for you. You can use it as a closet cover, a room divider, a curtain, a backdrop, or a piece of wall decor. This macrame wall hanging's large size and many functions distinguish it from its counterparts. Number 11. The Fiber Store Macrame Wall Hanging. This gorgeous macrame fiber hanging features 4 neutral colors and a chic tie-dye design to add a bit of texture and color to any space without at the risk of the piece clashing with other pieces. Number 10. Mkono Macrame Wall Hanging. This stylish wall hanging is the perfect bohemian accent for apartments, bedrooms, entryways, and more. It's handmade with 100% cotton rope and bead detailing for a chic, yet minimal look. Number 9. Macrame Wall Planters. Transform your living room into a bohemian paradise with these woven wall hangings that will support all your greenery. Each of the planters in the set is unique, and they hang at varying heights, so the full effect is visually interesting. You can use them all together in an arrangement or spread them out throughout your home. Number 8. Round Macrame Wall Hanging Mirror. Mirror frames offer an unexpected way to incorporate macrame within your wall decor. This piece features a resilient acrylic mirror flanked with a beautifully knotted and fringed macrame frame in natural cotton. Choose from a wide variety of macrame patterns to mix and match to create a fun composition. Number 7. Small Green Macrame Wall Hanging. Measuring at 17 inches wide and 21 inches in length, this hand-woven macrame wall hanging offers a fun way to bring a splash of calming color to any wall. This piece is available in dark blue or muted sage green, each one fading to a late ivory toward the top of the cotton ropes. Number 6. Brown and Gold Extra Wide Macrame Wall Hanging. Measuring at an impressive 59 inches in width, this statement-making tapestry is a standout selection for serious focal placements. Each strand of 100% cotton cord is dyed using organic pigments for rich natural color, used to flatter interior themes like Southwestern, mid-century modern, bohemian, and more. Number 5. Orange Triangle Macrame Wall Hanging. A triangular frame makes this contemporary macrame wall hanging especially eye-catching. This piece is available in 3 colors: breezy white, rust orange, and minimalist modern gray. Each one is made from natural cotton yarns for softness and resilience. At just over 27 inches in height, this piece is easy to incorporate within a wall decor composition. Number 4. Retro Macrame Awl Set of 2. Owls have been a favorite macrame theme reaching back to the mid-century macrame craze and even before. Of course, these charming accents remain just as popular as ever. This set of 2 can be hung together or apart, used to bring a playful retro look to any of your favorite spaces. Number 3. Long Macrame Wall Hanging Baskets. From trivettes to appliance cozies, macrame can add tremendous charm and character to a kitchen setting. This 3-tire hanging basket is ideal for organizing items like fruit, herb planters, spice containers, and any other essentials that you want to keep within reach. Number 2. Round Macrame Hanging Shelves. Adorn a lonely corner or decorate in front of a window with a hanging macrame shelf like this stylish design. This piece features an intricate canopy with fringe details. It's macrame ropes supporting 3 wooden shelves that are perfect for plants or decorations. Number 1. Macrame Wall Hanging Shelf. Macrame wall hangings don't have to stop with pure decoration. This attractive design features hand-woven macrame details that support a fully functional shelf made from wood in a light natural finish. Because this piece measures at just 12 inches across, it's ideal for filling in blank spaces on an eclectically decorated wall. 70s trends are dominating the home decor sector at this given moment, from vintage-inspired wall art, looming planters hanging freely from the walls, and of course, fringe-covered throws and plenty of macrame textiles. This era is definitely back in style when it comes to interior design. Indeed, the knotted wall art textile is quietly dethroning its trendy older sister, crochet, and it's doing so just in time for your seasonal home decor refresh. Whether you're looking for an effortless way to integrate some texture into your apartment or just add a unique piece instead of a headboard, this crafty trend is sure to complement your existing home decor getup. I would be happy if I could help you a little with this product list. Please inform us the same by specifying other models that are important to you in the comments. If you like the video, you can support me by subscribing. And if you don't like it, if you specify the reason for this in the comments, you will make a great contribution to me and my development. Thanks for watching the video and taking the time. Have a nice day.